Is your productivity stopped because IText Group can't find the Itextsharp.dll library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. To start our guide for Itextsharp.dll library, you can follow the manual steps or use the suggested tool for workstation health. This is the Itextsharp.dll library. The Itextsharp library is a popular .NET library for creating and manipulating PDF documents. It is a mandatory dependency for hundreds of automated reporting and invoice generation tools. If missing, the application will crash, citing an assembly load failure, preventing the software from exporting or viewing PDF files. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. Since Itextsharp.dll library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the IText Group toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application where you received the error is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Itextsharp.dll library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the Diagnostic counter registry. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit Enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. Replacing Itextsharp.dll library without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If Itextsharp.dll library is impacting system resources, the maintenance suite below provides general guidance on addressing this. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Itextsharp.dll library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.